Oga, please. Be cool. Please help me beg your sister. Let she don't tell your mama what I do. Please, sir, please. I don't call your door mouth. I want no. When I get closer, I can't hear different kind of noise. I can't hear, oh my God. I can't say, Ijononaka. And I have to say, make I return back. Make I come stand here wait for you to come out. Now that you don't finish work, I beg of my help me beg your sister, please. Please, sir, please.
Pius.
Sir.
Before the count of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
You will leave this leg now and let me go where I'm going.
Yes.
1.
Sorry, sir.
Nonsense. My lord. Hey.
Hello, please, but please help me beg him, please. Please help me beg him. I don't want to lose him my job. Because, please.
Babe.
Baby. Please, I am begging on his behalf.
Forget this.
Please, just do this for him, please. I am begging on his behalf.
Don't mind this clown. Forget him. Forget this crocodile tears you see him shed. It's not making sense.
Baby, are you trying to tell me that I cannot ask you for a favor?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Until you do what I asked for.
Yes,
I am going nowhere.
Oh, yes.
Please.
Sugar, you know it's because of you.
I know.
If not for you, I wouldn't listen.
I know. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Yeah, I will speak to my sister.
Thank you.
Alright.
Pius, you may write, but let it not repeat itself again. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Pius! You don't stand up from that place. Are you mad? Hey, Pius!
Sir?
Pius!
Sir?
What is this?
I have issue of the leg.
Which leg?
My third leg.
Your third leg?
Yes, ma'am.
You see what I told you?
Oh.
You see this? I told you this guy is a clown. You just take a look at. He's shedding crocodile tears. Look at. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, please.
Madam, thank you very much. God bless you. Now you be correct woman. In fact, now you be our last bus stop. Machi.
Good on you.
Sir?
You and who? Our.
Oh, now she be your last bus stop.
Better.
Yes. Can you hear me? Machi.
Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
Respect yourself.
Oh.
Truth.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ebe, ukwu toro ote, onye ma ote ebe ha ga-atọ, ukwu maka ewe ifo, na-atọ mmanụ. No wonder, ị na-akwụ. Oh my God. Ebe ndị mmadụ eriela ihe ọma.